on the track, boy.
Honestly, I've been so anxious on how you talk to me, baby, so pretentious. Una pa lang alam ko na walang patutunguhan pa. I don't know why did I still even try. Damn those fucking eyes, oh how good they lie. Maybe it was just me who didn't read between the lines. Nasasayangan sa ating dalawa, hindi mo ba nakikita all the things that we could have been? You wasted all because of your fear. Now I need to pretend that this doesn't hurt, 'cause there is nothing left to end. Kahit na anong pilit pa, kung ayaw mo naman talaga, I'll just let you be, 'cause that's how much you mean to me. And if you ain't really ready for anything, I'm just here, baby, I'll be waiting. Nasasayangan sa ating dalawa, hindi mo ba nakikita all the things that we could have been? You wasted all because of your fear. Oh, hindi ko na alam kung paano pa sasabihin sa iyong ikaw na nga. Ikaw lamang ang gusto, pero shit, sobrang mong gusto.